This morning, I'm going to perform a drop test on the H1 SU carburetor dashpot and the internal cylinder with the needle. And the reason for this drop test is that over the years, the piston can be swapped between the other dashpot. Now, these are machined so that they will work better with one than the other, and so it's important that these drop as close as possible to the same length of time. And so what we're going to do this morning is do that drop test, see if they need to be switched around. In this case, in preparation for that, I've taped, there's two holes at the bottom of the piston, and so those have been taped over, and there is no damper on the end of the dashpot. Okay, we're ready for the dashpot or SU drop test, and in this case, both the pistons are in their respective dashpots, and what we're looking for is to see just how quickly they will drop and if they drop simultaneously. So I'm going to release these, and we can see that the one on the right is dropping slower than the one on the left. So what I'm going to do is switch these into their other respective dashpot and see if they drop closer to being simultaneous. All right, well, I have switched the pistons in the dashpots, and we're going to try this test again to see if they're any closer in timing as far as their drop. So now, I'll do that one more time. So now, by switching the pistons in the dashpots, it's apparent that they are now, while not identical, they're at least, the drop rate is far more similar between the two of them. So we've got them matched up and ready to go back onto the carburetors.